Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. I'm going to upload this video tonight, so you guys probably see it around 11 o'clock is when it should be uploaded, I think. Yeah, around 11. So what we're going to be doing is I have the LG, the VX 5500, almost forgot it already. It's going to be fully charged with the old used battery in there. The battery already has water damage in it, so I'm not too worried about it. We're going to take this phone and we're going to put it in this bucket of water. I guess like a little tub of water. And we're going to put it in my freezer and check on it tomorrow at 10:30. So we're going to leave it in there for 24 hours. And it's a flip phone. Doesn't have no waterproofing or anything like that. So let me go ahead and do this real quick and I'll pause the video. Okay, so I went ahead and make sure it was all ready to go. So as you can see, the back cover, this is off the drop test phone, and the back cover does not work. So it's kind of broken. It's fully charged. It is ready to go. It is locked. So that's pretty much it. I'm still working on the drop test videos, guys. Let me unlock the iPhone. It's really becoming a pain in the ass because of this goddamn phone. I usually don't cuss in my videos, but this phone is pissing me off. I cannot get it to upload the photos to the Dell, so I thought it was my computer. So I tried my work computer, and it's still saying that it's the phone. What it does is it will upload like 1 to 2 videos, and then it says the hardware failed or something. I'll see if I can throw a screenshot in this video of what it shows on my computer. Maybe y'all can help me. But I'm going to be getting rid of this iPhone X. It's 256 gig. It's with Verizon. I want to show you my IMEI number real quick. Let me show you if I can see the gigs. Yep, there you go. 256 gigs. But it literally sucks because I can't use it for what I really need to do it. And that's why I'm doing drop test videos. I need 2 phones. One that takes really good videos. While my Note 10 is doing the slow motions. So I'm going to trade this phone for a Note 9 hopefully. My friend that I usually buy all my phones from, I think he's going to get me a Note 9. I'm just going to trade this off. Straight trade. So this phone probably won't be here very much longer. And then this phone, like I said, is going in the bucket of water. So it probably won't be here very much longer either. I'm still working on editing the videos. Like I said, I found a way to get my videos off of here, which is to screen record them and then put them on my Note 10. So it's a pain. So I don't know if these few videos are going to come out very good when I do the drop test because of that reason. I hope they do. But if not, then that's going to be why. And next video should be better because I won't have to deal with this phone. I won't make any more drop test videos until I get rid of this one. There's going to be a giveaway in that box. Once I release the drop test videos, there's a video after that I'm going to release. I figured out that I'm going to do it. That will explain the giveaway. So let's go ahead and look. It is Tuesday, October 8th at 10:40. I'm going to leave the phone on, so hopefully it does not annoy the shit out of me in the middle of the night if it starts going off or something like that. So let's pause the video and head to my refrigerator. Alrighty guys, here's my freezer. Just going to throw that in there. And here's the phone. It's fully working. You can tell there's obviously water in there. Now, oh, I hit the button thing. This does not have a cover on the charging port, so we shall see it tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and post this video so you guys will, I guess, kind of have like a real-time update of it, and we'll thaw it out together tomorrow when I get off work around 10. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for part 2.